It is currently 5:34 and I did it. I got out of bed, put on my robe because it's so cold.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's video was super requested on Twitter. I decided that one of my goals for 2018 was to wake up earlier on school days. I'm a senior in high school, so I used to get up around 6:37, left at 8, and that's still a lot earlier than some of my classmates or other high schoolers. I know some people wake up like 20 minutes before they leave for school. I like to make myself some nice breakfast, like sit around, chill, that kind of thing. But I decided in 2018 I wanted to get up even earlier and do more in my mornings, because once I actually get up, it's easier for me and I really like the mornings. But I told myself I wanted to wake up before 6 a.m. this year, and so the past 2 weeks, every morning before school, I woke up at 5:30 a.m., 30 minutes to an hour before I used to wake up. So today I'm going to be going over my experience, along with showing you some vlog clips that I took early in the mornings those days, so you can actually see for real like how I was doing. And also some tips if you want to start waking up earlier, and will I continue to wake up at 5:30 in the morning? That's what all of this video is about. So first off, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos myself on how to wake up earlier, and they all said to find a reason to why you're wanting to wake up earlier. I have a lot of things that I need to fit into my day, and I decided that if I want to be productive and get these things done, I need to cut back on my lazy time, because I used to like go to bed around 11. From 10 to 11 I just lay in bed and watch Netflix every night. I decided to take that hour, put it in my mornings to where I don't really feel like watching Netflix in the mornings. I usually want to like go. So I took the hour that I was watching Netflix at night, started going to bed at 10, and woke up an hour earlier in the morning to try to get things done. So my goal for the mornings was either to get work done for my business, you know, edit whatever I needed to do that day, or was to work out. So figure out your why. Is it because you want to start a business, just because you want to work out because you don't have time in the nights to work out? Or do you just want to have more time for you, more time to sit, read a book? Maybe you have kids, you know, you want to have more time in the mornings before your kids get up, to yourself, whatever it is. And I find what makes getting up at this time a little bit easier is you're doing something you want to do first thing in the morning. When you wake up 20 minutes before you have to go to school or work, then the first thing you think about is, okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing is what I maybe don't love. Maybe you don't love school or your job, and so you're dreading getting up because the first thing you're going to be doing is what you don't love. But if you wake up earlier and do something you do love, even if it's just scrolling Pinterest or watching some inspirational YouTube videos, like just the first thing you think of is like whatever you like to eat for breakfast. You know, I'm gonna have a healthy breakfast, have my coffee or tea or water, and you know, I'm gonna do something that I love, and it's gonna be easier to get out of bed. So here's what I learned when waking up at 5:30 in the morning. Number one is you have to get up right when your alarm goes off. Right when that alarm goes off, you are out of bed.
Hello everyone, I'm getting ready for school this morning. It's 7 a.m. I got up at 5:30 again. It's honestly like you just have to get out of bed is what I realized. You can't think about it.
When I was waking up at 6:37, I would sometimes lay in my bed, and I'm not kidding, I would listen to my alarm go off for 30 minutes. Like I didn't have a snooze button, and I would put my phone across my room to try to get me up, but that didn't work because I would just listen to my alarm in bed for 30 minutes. The next tip I learned is that you have to have a routine so you can go on autopilot. I mentioned having a morning routine like written out and to actually follow a morning routine.
Okay, it is now nighttime and I'm planning out my morning so that I know when I wake up exactly what I need to do. My main focus for tomorrow is podcast and video. I'm working on podcast in the morning, video if I have time, and then I'm packing my lunch and getting ready and leaving. Okay.
Like you just need to have your brain do as little work as it needs to in the morning until it wakes up. It's also said that your brain takes about an hour to fully awaken. So if you're waking up 20 minutes before you get to school or work, then you know your first class or the first hour of your job is just going to be wasted because your brain is still trying to get up. But if you're waking up earlier, your brain can wake up while you're getting ready, while you're making breakfast, while you're in this autopilot mode, and it's going to be a lot easier on your mind, and you're going to be able to function better throughout the rest of your day. Number 3, I was just coming back from my Christmas holiday break, so I was waking up at 8 a.m. And then as soon as school started, I jumped into waking up at 5:30, and that maybe wasn't the best thing to do, but I was like set on it, so I did it. And so the first week, I was really tired throughout the day. My body was not used to that sleep schedule, and so it will take time. Don't just do it for a week and be like, oh, okay, like I'm still tired, it's not really working for me. I did it for 2 weeks until I started filming this video, and I was finally so proud of myself last Friday because I woke woke up like 1 second before my alarm. And you're like, well, why? Like, why is that an accomplishment? It means that my body is getting used to that sleep schedule. And so when I wake up, you know, that minute or second before my alarm goes off, that's showing that my body is ready to get up at 5:30. It doesn't even have to hear an alarm. It's just getting up. It's programming to that routine. Also, I found the days I was less tired were the days that I worked out in the morning. This may seem like the worst idea ever to you. We have like a treadmill in my house, and so many mornings last year I would try to wake up and go downstairs and get on the treadmill, and that just wouldn't happen. I found that it took going to a workout class. I don't have a gym membership, but I have a class membership for bar this month, and so I would get up and go to the 5:45 or 6 a.m. bar class. Like Friday, I woke up at 5:20, put on my workout clothes, had them laying out the night before, got my coffee, got my bottle of water, and was out the door by 5:35, got to my bar class at 5:45. There we go. Don't mind me, I look like a hot mess, but it's about 6:40, we just got out. Good, you know, usually like before this, like I could be waking up at this time, but instead I have a workout done, so it's really cool. And I found that even though that was a lot of work, and what I had to keep telling myself was like, okay, as soon as I woke up, I was like, yes, in 30 minutes, I'm gonna be doing exercise. Like, you cannot think about that. You just have to go, be like, yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's no choice, I have to go. So, though the mornings that I worked out, I felt the most energized throughout the day and the most awake. Running a little late, so I can't talk long, but I'm ready for school now. Wearing a hoodie today. Hair's up, it's all good. And yeah, I feel really good. I'm hungry, I haven't eaten yet because I had to upload a video, but feeling good. My last tip is to listen to your body. For like the Friday of my first week, I was so exhausted from the week, but normally if I wasn't vlogging it, I probably would have woken up at 6. But since I was vlogging it, I was like, no, Hannah, you're sticking with this. You're waking up at 5:30. I did it, even though I totally was not feeling like getting up this morning. I did, had a more chill morning, still got some work done though. But now I just want food and coffee, so I'm gonna go do that. So I had a really rough like Friday, Saturday this past weekend, and I'm filming this on Sunday. So I let myself sleep in today. I got like 13 hours of sleep, and I know that is not what everyone can get, and maybe that wasn't that healthiest for my body. I don't know. It's probably gonna be really hard to wake up at 5:30 tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna do it. And because I listened to my body and I really needed sleep. Not because of waking up at 5:30, but because I stayed up really late Friday night. So listen to your body. It's gonna tell you what it needs. You just have to listen. And don't make it an excuse like, oh, I tried waking up at 5:30 yesterday, but I'm really tired today, so I'm gonna let my body go back to sleeping at 7. It does take time to train your body, but at the same time, if your body's telling you you're tired, don't wake up later, go to bed earlier, okay? There's so many ways around just like, that didn't work for me, I'm gonna wake up later. Drink more water, take more vitamins, like you can feel better and it's healthier for you to wake up at this time. So I had to keep telling myself that. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys want me to do an update, maybe when I'm more into it, got the hold a bit more, I can do that like next month or something. Just let me know. And let me know what time you guys got up and if you're wanting to get up earlier this 2018, because I'm really proud that I've kind of stuck to that resolution. One of my goals for January, February was to start waking up earlier, and the fact that I started doing it, I'm really proud of myself. And the days that I go work out and like have a healthy breakfast and then go to school, like it just makes me feel really empowered and it makes me want to keep doing it. And I'm really excited to continue this sleep morning journey. And I hope you guys want to start one too. Also guys, special announcement, my podcasts are back, baby, every Friday on SoundCloud and iTunes. Just search Hannah Ashton Podcast and they are all there. I put out so much content every week, and to get a recap of that, subscribe to my newsletter. I will have the link below. Okay guys, I love you so much, and I will see you Wednesday for my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Stay happy, peace out.